Though when I came in the morning, there was information that the GSU has been lined up and cordoned off the stadium where I operate from. And indeed, I was being asked not to come. But at Simba, I cannot, I'm the king of this kingdom. I cannot run away from it. I had come to the office this morning to see exactly what is happening. Therefore, when I came in, I found that the police, they had strategically been positioned, the GSU, from all the way the gate to the far end. When I alighted from the vehicle, what I did is that I went ahead to salute them, and I wanted to know what they were doing in the side. Their boss, I think, was in the vehicle. Therefore, I called all of them together just to understand what they were doing here. But this is just sheer nonsense, misuse of GSU to intimidate, because there is no reason completely. The whole week the GSU have been around. I'm told from reliable sources there were recce squads after we launched the circle for boda in the municipality. And the reasoning, and I want to ask the president, the question is, they've been talking about boda. Therefore, we did launch the boda circle here in the stadium, 6,000 of them from the municipality. And these people, that's how we want to shape up their life. But it's unfortunate that the police could have not had anything to do with actually raiding my office. It's only they're being misused just to intimidate us. But there is information. They want to look for anything for arrest. Arrest Arati, take him to the cells, let him come out after 1 day, just to satisfy their own ego. I want to tell you, the planners of these things, I'm not scared of any cell, any prison. I'll do what I was elected to do. Therefore, I've asked the GSU, I've asked them to leave the study, and I'm happy now. You can see they're leaving. Until if they have anything, and the sorry they want to come and raid my home, I welcome them. I want to ask you, don't come at night, come daytime. I'll open for you even my toilet, anything you want for my home. Who is in charge of the police? Why should the police be misused? I'm told they were forcing these young people to remove their jackets, which they are printed by themselves. They thought it's me who had printed for them the t-shirts, the jackets, reflectors. I'm not the one. Those people, they are organizing themselves to raise money because they have been in poverty for long. Therefore, it's wrong. Even the police, I'm told, they are the people removing them and giving some goons here to ban. How? How do you do that? Therefore, another story of trying to kill the spirit, which you have said in development of our county, it will be defeated. I want to be sincere. When I heard that the police, they are stationed here, I called the county commander, the county commissioner, several. They did not pick my calls. It's now that when I've come in, I don't know, they want to intimidate me not to come to the office, but I can't. I can't be intimidated. This is my office. I've not committed any crime. I can't run away. Even if I had committed any crime, I can't run away because there is nowhere to run. I'll only face justice, as it were. Kindi mbambuata Simba ara aliri tukelimo SN tumuso echera kwa ne sese osi sene aba echera ine ronta gitendole ekerna akorera magos andos igonde todo ngaki bantu bane muobwa mokora kende esibono diganda abantu amna bagoje ntoba pimete like bagoje ntoba tebi a direction lakini ngente kibe sana ngaba skali GSU nerusu wese kale kolenda eche ewike yengi makonyora nobali kagane kirande cruiser mpaka kigali chinke kireke school. We cannot be that low. Ndo kugenda ansengenje make emechando yoka ya kolekanira ngana abana b'ikiramu basangiri kibesa bayagakire bayira abana ki school mbata getugente ebata getumu gusiya mu busitago kukindega. I'll make sure na bekire egento keokonya abantu baito baba basaye baba abana baba baga kine kibangakita abantu bangakite ko and I'll stand abantu ababekire nyweto mpaka kibesa batagete ko aba MC shiringi 1500 baba ire ngabagenda barosi impeachment noto abantu baminto gendera gonsabe nyasaye nomya nyasaye nabagotema na nyomba achari na equal breakfast na tebunga governor abaskari GSU ya vekru ofisi yao ebangire governor to genda office ya inkonyale kanamna nje governor ni ngose bocho ofisiane enachicha nanyora abaskari babangire babere korumoino pakomwe ekareka kuruga nimena abakuwa ningo boli kimoko ligiga abaskari abante bibyanga ya itu tuacha relax stadium ga onye moko relax onye moto mogete ngaki ngoko iba ngaki onye moto mogete ngaki ngoko ibanga babere you know that's taking position about taking position maambia nate mwake umuntu ku commission count commander onde tayo ko lisina enda de wadenga ninje egabana yakisi tinkonyara bono ndaobwa abana nje bakoleke ninje ndabo umuntu bomwele kobwe kera abantu bobwe onye kende nkirna kolekebe abantu babinto obokurumi negentekebe obokurumi obokorwana niwe tejibas yasangereri bo baskali bayirwe kiatirire ngam baje buone botuko baje ko radio na watenga munta basabo cha buone botuko nkora mugasonyo muskali ndikago cho ndwensi incho nabugoko igora mpake bedroom yana asenkora oligige ntoko likagija mwaleta kibunduki mojo bukeka bwo ekena kikwa da ngaki kibunduki njire taoni proje maskali basoke bone kana baseke igonde dore ngaki abaskali tigagotumya abaskali bobe abaskali abagenda balende egasi yabo andonses bako onye nakolera magos court nero and tinkonyara gotama asmambe gaiga ne governor yakisi abantu baminto obokurumi yani corruption nembe narole mungage kurwana woje ebalire monsabe nsabirani timbu atikende mbogwa atikire gento lakini omwe ikole meya